Let us talk about India's simplest online selling platform, which has empowered small-scale businesses to promote their online and offline businesses and make sure that their e-commerce businesses are running successful. So yes, I'm talking about Instamojo, which is a very interesting payment gateway. And here in this video, I'm going to talk about top 5 Instamojo payment automations. How can you integrate Instamojo with different applications and make sure that you save a lot of time, so that this time that you have saved, you can actually use them in making sure that you are chasing the right opportunities and you're making money. So here you are integrating all these applications using Pabbly Connect software. In this video, we are going to see how can you integrate Instamojo with WhatsApp, with Webinar Kit, Google Drive, Excel and Zoom. So let's say that you want to send WhatsApp messages for Instamojo payments. So every time there's a client who has purchased something and made the payment through Instamojo, you want that client to be sent a message to give that personal touch. How would you do that? You will have to integrate these two applications, and the same can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be Instamojo and your action application would be WhatsApp. Now, let's say that you want to register the user to Webinar Kit on successful Instamojo payment. So I have organized a webinar and I want that every time there's a person who is interested in attending that webinar has made the payment through Instamojo. Now, instead of me manually filling the details on Google Sheet or making him register on Webinar Kit, automatically this should happen. So every time the payment is captured, automatically he should be registered as a user on Webinar Kit. Now how can you do this? Again, you will have to integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Instamojo will be your trigger application and Webinar Kit would be your action application. Now let's say that you want to deliver files on successful payment in Instamojo. Again, taking an example, I'm running some online classes, spoken English classes, and here I want that the moment my student has registered and made the payment through Instamojo, automatically I should be able to deliver some files, send some files to him through Google Drive or any other application. Again, you will have to integrate the two applications. Your trigger application would be Instamojo and your action application would be Google Drive. And the time that you are saving here, you can actually use that in creating better content for your students. Next, we have send Instamojo payments details to Microsoft Excel. So every time a user has made a payment through Instamojo, I have got the details, name, address, etc. So I want this to be there in my CRM or in Excel so that I can further nurture, right? So for this again, you will have to integrate the two applications. Your trigger application would be Instamojo and your action application would be Microsoft Excel. So this client's information would be added as a new row and then you can further take care of the lead. Next, we have add a user on Zoom after a successful payment in Instamojo. So just like we had added our client or user on Webinar Kit, similarly, we can do that for Zoom. Again, your trigger application would be Instamojo, and the moment the person has made the payment, he would be added as a register, like as a user on Zoom. So I hope that this is really useful for you. You can actually understand that, integration and automation can save so much time. So I hope that you have understood this. All these automations that I have just told you, the workflows of the same are there in the video description. Similarly, we have so many applications and many integrations that you can check out on our website or on our YouTube channel. If in case you have some specific integrations that you wish to work on, you can always write to us. Thank you.